going to look at how to manage lender updates and repropose an application. Lender updates are visible from the column on the right-hand side of the homepage in the iVendi platform. Open any of these leads to view the application status page. The status for the application will be shown as submitting, whilst this is being routed through to the lender for decision. The submission process is pretty quick, so you should see a response from the lender within a minute or two. There are a number of decisions which are returned. Instant decisions are typically accepted, rejected, conditionally accepted, or referred. When a decision is referred, this means that it has been routed to the underwriter for further review. Later in the process, the lender may update the status to paid out or not taken up. The status will auto-update the moment a decision is returned. You can also select the Update Decision button. Full details of the proposal history will be displayed, presenting the relevant details behind the decision being returned. Further details may be available by clicking More, depending on the lender. From the Application Status page, you can view the Application Summary page, request the paperwork as a PDF to email on to the customer, repropose to a new lender, and you can edit the application and resubmit. To edit the application, simply click the Edit button. Select the relevant section of the application and make the necessary changes. You can update as many sections as required before selecting Proceed to Summary. Here you can view full details of the application and either print or submit. To repropose an application, select Repropose to a new lender from the Application Status page. Restack the deal and select an alternative lender product. Once you select Proceed, the applicant details will be copied to a new application, and any missing areas that are required for the new lender will be highlighted. Once complete, the application can be submitted to the alternative lender. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you need any further support, please contact us on support@ivendi.com.